because women don't fundamentally look at other women and go in the way we are with other guys. We don't seek to explore other men. And I don't even mean that in a gay way.
Yeah,
I mean,
but we don't.
You know what I mean? We don't have, but a woman, damn girl, look at you, touching, she's
we
in
don't
her
do
lap, in her
it would
hair,
feel real weird.
they naked.
Like, damn, look at those arms, bro.
Right.
I was like, yeah, we ain't doing it. I can't even fake it and actually do it. You see what I'm saying?
I think from an energetic standpoint, you know, masculine is the I don't want to use separation, but the individualityness, and feminine is the interconnectedness, right? If you think about how we operate, competition is I want to be better than you. I want to show you that I'm a separate entity and you're not equal to me.
Masculine would view from that context. It wouldn't be, oh yeah, let me appreciate, let me receive, consume. It's a, oh damn, we getting kind of cut up shit. Let me go get
Let me go get some. Yeah,
that's my thing.
All men are competition to other men.
Back to
but
at least
separate.
in our culture.
But I'm more trying to make myself distinct from you.
Right.
And it's, you know, we have both masculine and feminine, so they all blend into humanity.
And that goes back to the animalistic nature. I mean, at the heart of it, we are animals, and we are preening ourselves to be for the woman.